that today students are also eating according to what technology shows as cool. There are a lot of fads and other things. Where the teachers are concerned, teachers are an important pillar of society, I would say, because they lay the foundation of the young minds which go on to become the pillars of the nation. So we wanted to have a platform that celebrates teachers and their contributions, the unsung, unheard heroes that the teachers are of our society, because without them, our society would not be able to function. The schools which lay the foundation of the value system that exists in society about how we are going to go forward. The schools which take much of the heat that comes from parents, students, and from the outside world. And this is a platform and an open forum for discussing those challenges and the kind of impact that it has on schools and their decision-making process. It's also a platform where parents, counselors, students because they are also stakeholders in the education process, the founders of schools who are providing the infrastructure to kind of lay the foundation stone for education. What is their challenges? This is a platform to having free-flowing conversations, because most of the time we hear one side of the story. So First in Class is a platform to hear everyone's story, which has a big role to play in our education system. We have to look at and have these conversations to see the impact on the education system and how it takes us forward in the new era that we are moving to. So I would like to extend once again a warm welcome to all of you, and thank you for your taking out time on a Sunday to have these conversations. We will have a bigger event on the 5th of September, which is Teachers' Day, celebrating the teachers and their contributions to our society, which is seldom discussed or unseen or unheard. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Aishwarya ji, thank you for the kind and wise words. Let me introduce the first panel discussion for the morning, which is very important, it's very pertinent, it's breaking stereotypes, the government schools of the future. Let me invite on stage Dr. Prerna Sharma, Principal, Government School, SKV, Mata Sundari Road, Mr. Khaliq Ahmed, JBBSSS, Ramjas Lane, Karol Bagh, Ms. Manju Rani, PGT History, SKV, Ramdev Prasad Nagar, Ms. Seema Dhaiya, SKV Kirari, as well as Ms. Mithilesh Kumari Meena, JBSSS Nithari Village. Could we please have you on the stage, and a huge round of applause as we start our first session. This session is going to be moderated by Mr. Uday Pratap Singh, Senior Editor, NewsX. Over to you.
नमस्कार, अब वार्ता का समय आ गया है. Yes, it's time now for the conversation for our special first edition of the First in Class Awards and Conclave 2026. And of course, it's very